Hey, what is up guys, FZM here. Welcome back to the new HDR RGB display comparison test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 versus the Huawei Honor Note 10. So I hope you enjoyed the first display comparison test. Now let's move on to round 2. This is a very special 4K HDR clip to test out. The great thing about this particular clip is there's an option for HDR on YouTube. YouTube allows this feature on their signature devices such as the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 as it supports application enhancements and fully optimized features such as HDR, amongst other things. So let's test out if high dynamic range on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 makes a significant difference in overall display quality compared to the Honor Note 10. And ultimately we also want to see which display performs the best. So the HDR clip I'm using is a phenomenal video to showcase RGB color accuracy, high dynamic range and display vibrancy. So let's begin. Okay, let's see what we're dealing with, and for anybody new here, I'll do a quick overview of the display specs. So settings and display, and let's see what we've got. So max brightness for both handsets. The Note 9's highest settings at WQHD Plus at 2960 by 1440, and for the Note 10 it's at Full HD Plus with a resolution of 2220 by 1080. I'm using the adaptive display for the Note 9, which from my everyday experience brings out the best quality. And video enhancer is on, which means we'll capture even further detailed as it's a fully optimized smartphone for YouTube. There is no other setting for the Note 10. For the Huawei Honor Note 10 we're looking at a 6.95 inch AMOLED display, and on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 a 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display. Let's begin. So resolution quality 1440p HDR for the Note 9 and max brightness, and quality 1080p for the Note 10 max brightness. And 3, 2, 1, go! So, I hope you guys enjoyed the HDR RGB color test, but I want to hear your thoughts. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 or Huawei Honor Note 10? Which display performed the best in this scenario? Which would you choose, and who do you think won? Does the higher resolution of 1440p together with HDR on the Note 9 outperform the Honor Note 10, or simply does the nearly 7-inch display of the superb Note 10 grasp your full attention? There's a poll above on this video, so have your vote now. I hope you enjoyed this clip as much as I did. There'll be a final display test coming to crown the winner, and I'll be releasing that very soon. And remember, I'll be conducting this display test series with all the latest flagships around. So stick around, trust me, you don't want to miss it. Who's your winner so far? Note 9 or Note 10? Drop me your comments below, I'll be checking them all out as usual, and be sure to leave any suggestions. Thank you so much for watching and showing your support as usual. Keep it coming. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and as always guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one.